Welcome, dear students, to the St. Xavier School, Botath. Today, in Class 6 Science, we will learn our chapter of Science, that is chapter number 4, Sorting of Materials. So, we'll start. Now, the next property of material is object may float or sink in water. Okay, in previous activity, in activity 4, we have seen or we have noticed that the insoluble solid separates out from water. Okay, you might have noticed this with liquids in activity 5. See, can you see in figure 4.5? Some liquids mix well with water while some others do not. It forms a layer. Okay, so we can see some of these materials that did not mix with water floated to the surface of water. Others may have sunk to the bottom of the tumbler, right? सी जो प्रीवियस एक्टिविटी थी उसमें जो हमने सैंड डाली थी, ठीक है, वो बॉटम के नीचे बैठ गई. इट डिड नॉट मिक्स विद द वाटर बट इट डिड नॉट फ्लोट ऑल्सो, इट सिंक. सो दिस इज द वन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मटीरियल. Some objects float while some are sink in water. Okay, can you see in the pictures? Okay, how the plastic ball and leaf and wooden block float on the water while the metal things sink in the water. Now next property is transparency. Now can you see in the picture, in the first picture, Bujo wants to see through the paper, but he cannot see at all. Okay, while here Bujo can see clearly through the paper. Okay, so this is the transparency. This material is known as, this types of material is known as transparent material. This materials through which we cannot see at all, that is which material? Opaque. And the material through which we can see, the materials through which we can see but not clear, that is known as translucent material. Okay, see, you can see glass, water, air and some plastic are examples of transparent material. Can you see the transparent bottles? Okay, whereas wood and cardboard and metals are examples of opaque materials. Can we see from the wooden box on the other side? No. So they are, now here they have given one activity. You have to take paper and spread over. पहले एक पेपर लेना है, फिर उसमें से ट्राई करना है बल्ब को देखने का. Then you have to spread oil over it and then try to see bulb again. So what will you see? You can see bulb now but not clear. So this is the property known as translucent. Okay, now see, Paheli suggests to cover glass over the torch. So can you see? No. Can you see through your palm? No. So this is the just activity. Okay, so we learned that materials different in their appearance. Which types of appearance? Hard, rough, hard and soft, then rough and smooth or shiny. Okay, it mixes with water or other liquids. It may float or sink. It may be transparent, opaque or translucent. Okay, so these are the all properties of materials. Okay, now just read the chapter and if you have any query you can ask me. Now students, can you see the difference between opaque, translucent and transparent? Okay, now here see, transparent objects, translucent object and opaque objects. Okay, through the transparent objects we can see clearly. Okay, why? Because transparent objects, all light passes through it. From translucent objects, some light passes through, whereas from opaque object, no light passes through. So we cannot see at all. Now here they have given us some sinking pieces. See, metal key and rock and penny, spoon, scissors, crayon, comb, screw, marble, button, okay, paper pin, and all that things sinks in the water. While leaf, apple, then sponge and straw and pencil, blocks all float on the water. Thank you students for watching video.